The problem I'm having right now is I'm on this side. I came down from up there. I came right on the corner right there. And I need to get over there to keep going. And no way in hell I'm making it through there. I don't know. All I can do is maybe try to... oh, fuck, I don't know. Maybe try to go up and see if there's a easier, safer place to cross, but I'm not really expecting much. I kind of thought this might be a problem. This time of year coming through, I knew I had to cross a stream like this. Maybe it would have been better to come in winter time. Probably just be like a little trickle of water. Maybe could somehow come down through here. But yeah. I don't know, I'll keep looking. Maybe I'll get lucky. If not, I guess I'm staying here for an hour or so. Not the worst place in the world, right?